Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to pair your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 with Google Assistant or Alexa. So open the Google Home app, then click this plus in the top right corner and link app or service. Now works with Google and find Xiaomi Home. Now click it, continue, agree and continue, and now you need to log in, and after a couple of seconds it is linking. Okay, add your robot vacuum, select the room, move your device. This will move your device to another home. Okay, add it to my home and click move device. Where is this device? It can be office. Okay, next. And done. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.